So I'm just taking a look at this. Okay. So just taking a look at this here. I'm just trying to size these up with the drills that I have. And this here, that's probably the exact size of what's already there. And if you can go up a little bit in size here with this drill. That's how this looks. I'll go a little bit bigger than that. I'm gonna take a shot here with this. I know this is gonna be way too big. Okay, let's take a shot with this and see if we can drill these holes just a little bit larger. I hope worst case is I have to get some dowels and repair these after the case. All right, I'm just gonna drill these up a little bit. Okay, so those are definitely a little bit bigger now. What do you say? They're probably still too small, huh? They're still too small. Let's see what this one looks like here. I'm going to run and get a hammer and see if those will hammer in. We have to try to go just a little bit bigger on this and see what happens. Just a hair bigger. This is a 5/16, by the way. Okay. Yeah, that's it, 5/16. That's it. Let me clean up this mess here, a little bit of a mess I made. Let's test the hinge. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. These are really going to hold, I can tell. I'd be very surprised if they didn't. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Now, we're going to do these down here. Clean up after them, and then we'll put the inserts in. Okay, here we go. Okay, clean up. Put these inserts in. One here. Okay. Another one. And let's put the hinge in. And again, the fit, perfect fit. Okay, so that's it. It's going to be a home run now. I have to just go over to my son's house and put 2 screws in here to hold it up to the cabinet, and he's back in business. So this kit worked out perfectly. I'm very happy with it. And if you do have a repair to make, I wasn't really expecting to have to drill the holes any bigger, but I'm glad I was able to, and I'm glad it was able to fix the issue. So that's it. Glad you could watch. Take care.